Students, today we will continue our reading. Okay, so this is your content book. Open page number 32. Today we will start our reading from line number 5. Travel before the wheel. Okay, so students, how the people travel before the wheel formed. Okay, so first of all I am showing you a picture. Okay, here I made a different chart between traveling in earlier time and traveling in modern time. In the earlier time, there is no wheel, there is no vehicle. So how they travel? They travel either on foot, okay, or rode on animals. Due to this reason, they are not being able to go for a longer distance. वो ज़्यादा दूर तक नहीं जा पाते थे. क्यों? Because they have to walk on foot or rode on animal. Okay, and they are easily tired. Number 2, travel was slow. Okay, traveling in earlier time when there is no wheel, the travel was slow and tiring. Means they are easily tired because they have to either walk on foot or on road on animal. Okay, now there is a wheel, there are number of vehicles. So how we traveling in present day, people travel faster by vehicles. Okay, people travel faster because there is a aeroplane, train, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, bicycle. Okay, and travel is more comfortable. We are more comfortable to travel in these vehicles. Okay students, now come to reading portion. Okay beta, so today we will read from line number 5. We all know wheel can change the traveling whole process. Wheel ने पूरा traveling का process change कर दिया. As we studied in last chapter that early man can move from one place to another in search of food, shelter, on foot or either rode on animal. Okay, but when they found wheel or when they make wheel, they can use for movement with the help of animals like bullock cart. Okay, so now we read how they travel. Thousands of years ago, before the wheel was invented, people walked long distances or rode on animals to hunt for food. Okay, so they have to walk for long distance or rode on animal to hunt for food. When they had to cross river, they used logs of wood. मैंने आपको बताया था how they use log of wood. 2 small pieces of log of wood they placed in the bottom, and these logs can move the whole log of wood. After this, they know that they can make a wheel to use for traveling. Okay, they use log of wood or raft that could float on water, and the invention of wheel can completely change the process of transport. Transport का पूरा system change हो गया. Okay, we can easily move from one place to another time in another place in very short time. Okay, we can move easily from one country to other country also. In the earlier time, it is not possible for them to move from one country to another country because it takes very long time. Okay students, so read this page and we will meet in the next class. Okay students, so read it carefully. I will ask the question which are related to this in your online class. Okay beta, so bye bye.